Someone said, I know a lot of words, I just don't know how to put them all together. There's so many different possibilities, but we're going to start with this main one. Action. Who or what did the action? Where did the action happen? What time did the action happen? In English, we would say, Xiangyi was reading at the library yesterday. But in Samoan, the format would be, was reading Xiangyi at the library yesterday. Action. Who did the action? Where did the action happen? And then what time? Faitao is to read. Sa is the tense marker that makes it say, was reading. Xiangyi did the action. At the or ile. Faletusi or falefaitautusi is library. And then ananafi is yesterday. Don't just learn the words. Put it in the format and then use it. Sa faitau Xiangyi ile faletusi ananafi. The Mato Samoan language course for beginners starts on January 19th, 2021 on Teachable.com. Enrollment is currently open and Teachable is offering a 50% coupon. The classes meet twice a week where you'll be working on worksheets, having conversations, and learning the Samoan language by phrase and sentence structure. Visit Mato Samoa on Teachable or go to matosamoa.com.